A business isn't guaranteed to succeed, just like you're not guaranteed to succeed on a job, no matter what you do. So sometimes when you weigh it out, you think like, maybe if I put more of this energy towards building my own and still work for them until you get your own off the ground, and then you switch from working for them to working with them, and the game changes completely. And it's possible, you know, and everybody got their own route they got to take to get to this level. And I get it. You know, I done bumped my head plenty of times just to learn the system. And now I know my place in the system on how to get in and get some money and live better and grow my business. So take your time and think about that. Hold on.